Welcome to TechTweets. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account from mobile and also from your PC. Now let's get started. To delete your Facebook account from your mobile, first of all, select your profile icon here or menu icon from your iPhone. I'm selecting the profile icon, scrolling down and then go to settings and privacy and then click settings. Then you will see these options. Select see more in account center from here and then scroll down and select personal details. After selecting personal details, you will see your personal details here and you will see account ownership and control. So select account ownership and control and then you can see deactivation or deletion. You click on deactivation or deletion and then choose the profile, and here you will find two options, temporarily or permanently. If you would like to select temporarily, select temporary. If you'd like to select permanently, then select permanent. Let's say I will delete my account permanently. So here you can see it's a pop-up. It says it will also delete your Facebook pages. If you don't have any other admins, your pages will also be deleted. Okay, so select continue and then select a reason, click continue, and here you can see you have many options. You can explore the options, otherwise you can select continue. Here it's asking for the password, so I am entering my password. I have entered my password, click continue. Here you can see it's the final pop-up. So the final pop-up says once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days for reactivate your account. That means you can reactivate your account within 30 days if you want. But if you no longer want this account, you can just click on delete account and there you go. Your account will be deleted after 30 days from the date. Thank you so much. And in your PC, follow the same process to delete your Facebook account permanently. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel TechTweets for latest tech updates. Thank you.